Hello guys. This takes less than a minute. The car shows the key battery low message. What a bummer. Hopefully you have AC or 2032 battery at hand. It is easy to break those two key halves apart to get to the battery holder inside the key fob. You can use your key for leverage. Slide the slider to the side, and remove the metal key. Now you can pry that case open. Try not to break it. If you have neighbors, don't press the panic button on accident, especially on an early Sunday morning. Memorize how the old battery sits in there, and replace it with the new battery cell. You may have to clean the stuff in here. If you need to, you can use alcohol and Q-tips. Wait for it to dry. And then put the key back together. Last step to try all the buttons. Trying the panic button is important, but consider your environment. Don't make your neighbors mad. Not worth getting your car key, because you piss them off with your car alarm noise in the early morning hours. With that said, I wish you good luck with your car keys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. A like is also truly appreciated. For the viewers that don't like my voice, I apologize, but I was too lazy to talk with my own voice today. That's why I asked Kevin to speak for me. Have fun, and enjoy.